guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're really doing well. So today we are going to make these spicy, delicious, deliciousmo noodles. Guys, if you really like to eat noodles, enough is enough. This is the last time you're going to eat noodles the normal way you used to eat them. So I just started by boiling the noodles. You see, just use like 15 minutes to boil the noodles. So here I have my green pepper, I have green beans, I have green onion, I have the normal onion, carrot, and sardine. So these are the vegetables and the everything we're going to be using in this recipe. I just started by opening up my sardine, and you can see they are really ready, looking fresh, looking attractive. So I just get another plate so that I can be putting my fresh vegetables there and all my other vegetables that I will be using in the recipe. I chopped the onion, and I really want to slice it into like small, like small medium, sizes, so that it can really be a good to go along thing. And then I went with my green pepper. I have to do the same process that I did on the onion, and I really feel like it's going to be like something amazing. Yeah. So we are done working on the green pepper. I'm going to be slicing, cutting the green beans. You see how it's looking. We just have to slice it, cut into like small medium pieces. Then our carrot with me, I peeled it. Then I cut, I had to to chop it into like small medium sizes. Then we just move on the onion, like this green onion. The green onion, it's for adding the aroma, like to make the food aroma to go on another level, to go on an extraordinary level. Like this is a super healthy and yummy noodles. So on the next, what you're going to do, we just get our pan hot, and we put like some oil. After heating up the oil, just add your onion in, and you need to mix up, and then cover it for like 3 good minutes. And make sure, guys, you pay attention. Here it came with fire. You just need to be nearby, checking up your pot so that things can really go well. After that, like after the 3 minutes, I came by and added my beans, my green beans, the green pepper, and the carrot. You see, I have to add everything and give it some time so that it can be well cooked. Remember, the carrot and the green beans really need enough time for it to be well cooked. And in 4 to 5 minutes, I am here adding my tomato paste. The tomato paste is for coloring and coloring and flavoring the food with something really attractive, let me say like that. And we need to put some water so that the tomato paste will need some more time for it to be well cooked, and for it to be well cooked. So, and the carrots and the green pepper. That's why I just had to add some water. After adding, I have to cover up my pot again for like 5 to 7 minutes so that it can be well cooked. Then we are here. I'm going to add my spices. I have like Maggi, I have black pepper, green pepper, and I even have my chili. And you need to remember the noodles. There's the noodle spices, like those spices that come with the noodles. I just all added them inside so that we need to keep thinking how our recipe need to be like really extraordinary. After some time, just put your boiled noodle inside and then mix it up. Just you need to stir it to the time up to when your noodles and the vegetable they are well mixed. And trust me guys, if you try this recipe, you will thank me later. And after all, it's time to add our sardine. And after adding the sardine, remember you need to add also the sardine oil in and keep stirring everything to make sure everything is together, is well mixed together. And you need to give it like some small time for it to be well mixed. Then we need to put our green onion on the top so that it can give us the best aroma that we want. And and for coloring, like to give the best color, for it to look more attractive. Here we are, the food is ready, and enjoy.